Welcome to this accoADE tutorial. During the next 2 minutes, I will show you how to edit an existing configuration on accoADE. In the Welcome page, click on Edit a Configuration. You can see the previously created configurations. Click Edit Selected, and this will retrieve all the details of the existing configuration. You can add a filter on the data rows by applying the validation rule does not contain red on the color column to get only the products which do not have red color in your grid view. Now click on the Columns tab and select the color column from the drop-down list. And make sure this column is selected as editable. Now, save the changes on the existing configuration, and it has been edited and updated. Then click on View Grid. Now you see the grid with the table where the product color is filtered as specified in the configurations, and there are no red colored products displayed in the view. If you would like to apply more filters on the rows, it's also possible in the view by typing what you would like to filter in the fields under column names. For example, filter the product with product ID 738. Type 738 in the field under product ID, set the rule as equal to, then in the result, double-click on the color field which is displayed as black. Now the product color can be edited as you are in inline edit mode. Change the color of this product to red and save the changes. Now this product is also filtered from the view, and the changes just made are directly saved in the source database. Click on Clear the Grid State to view the other existing rows. Now I've shown you how to edit an existing configuration on accoADE. Thanks for watching.